Democrats are saying that illegals can't get health care, and so that's not what they're fighting for. But as it turns out, they are fighting for that, and they know darn well that it does happen, because as of this morning, the Trump administration mapping out how over $1 billion was funneled through Medicaid loopholes and bailouts in Democrat-run states for illegals. California, New York, Illinois, Washington, and even Colorado, they're the worst offenders of this. Here, look. Exploiting emergency Medicaid, presumptive eligibility, enrolling illegals without proper checks, and then when they were checked, dragging their feet on clawing it back. And these sleazy politicians get away with saying, oh, no federal aid is going to illegals. The federal aid is going to the state disbursement offices, and that's how it's getting to illegals. And if you need proof, here's a headline from May where Democrat governors, like Gavin Newsom specifically, when the he said this, when the program ran out of money, quote, announced that he wants to freeze new enrollments for unauthorized people 19 or older on Medi-Cal. You can't freeze what's not happening. And if you needed further proof beyond Democrats saying it wasn't happening, after every one of Biden's 90-something executive actions on the border stuff, there was a spike in Medicaid enrollments among illegals, accounting for over 300% more during the auto pen's term. But beyond that, forget all the money that's flowing to illegals directly through Medicaid and through other state programs for them. Let's look at the real problem that goes way beyond the government shutdown that will exist when the government reopens, and that's the next thing to be addressed. Even if we stopped paying Medicaid to illegals today, there would still be a ton of medical care at the taxpayers' expense for these people.
People think news just happens. It doesn't. It happens because there's someone there to capture the moment, to explain it and share it. That's my job. I go where news breaks and give you the facts. Join me for The Record on Newsmax.